Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to set up your MedusaJS storefront hosted on Vercel and how you can easily connect it to your MedusaJS backend. Alright, let's get started. To make it work, you need three things. You need your GitHub account, you need your account at Vercel, and you need ready MedusaJS backend hosted on Nomodo.io. As a first step here, I found a repository with the starter MedusaJS storefront, which is called Next.js Starter Medusa. And here, as a first step, you need to copy this repository to your account. So I'll click here and I choose storefront Medusa video for this purpose, and I can make it public. It's okay. And I'm clicking here, creating repository. It takes a few seconds and a repository will be created. Perfect. We are done here in GitHub for this moment. The next step is to go to your Vercel and you click import project. Here you see my project I just copied to my account, so I click import. And here you set up your, let's say, basic information. So project name, it's okay. The framework present is Next.js, which is totally fine. And here in build and output settings, you need several things. So as a first thing, I need to rewrite this. And I'm using yarn run build, which is a package manager for this repository. And here yarn install. Perfect. In environment variables, you need next public Medusa and at this moment you need to go to your Nomodo account, to your apps. You see I created MedusaJS backend for Vercel storefront, show details, and here in this section MedusaJS admin you see URL, and make sure you copy just this first part of the URL and add it here. Space, yeah, should be okay now. Alright, we are done here and I click to deploy. It takes like a couple of minutes and the storefront will be ready soon. Alright, it seems it's done. Perfect, congratulations. Great. Let's continue to the dashboard. And I can see easily that my storefront is here, perfect, ready. I can visit it here. Great. And I need just one more step, which is set up store course in Nomodo.io. What I need is a URL for my storefront. I go into Nomodo to my MedusaJS, which is here. Go to settings, environment variables. And add the URL of my storefront. Click save. Variable store course were created. Perfect. And the last thing is to reload the app. Alright, after a couple of minutes, the status is running again, and I just make sure that our environmental variables are correct. Store course, Yes, perfect. And the last thing you need is go to your website and see that it's working. Perfect. I can check the store and I see my products here. Perfect. Great. So this is it. This is the end. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm looking forward for the next episode. Make sure you click subscribe and leave us your comment and feedback. Thank you very much.